Today we will learn Python for loops. First, let's discuss what is for loop. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. Iterating over a sequence. Sequence that is either a list, tuple, dictionary, and set. It is called for loop. With the for loop, we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list, tuple, dictionary, and set. I will show you an example through Ideally tool. This is my Ideally tool. Inside the Ideally tool, I am writing example fruits. This is the variable name. So open. I am writing list. Lists are enclosed with square brackets. Inside the list, I am writing apple, banana, and one more cherry. This is the example. Now I am writing first statement for x in fruits. Fruits is my existing variable name. Fruits. Fruits. Next I am writing print statement. Print of x. Now let's enter. Again enter. This is the sequence. Apple, banana, and cherry. Totally this is called for loop statement.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.